Hey there, and welcome back to Purely Positivity, your go-to channel for all things beauty and empowerment. Today, we're sharing our top 10 timeless beauty tips that every woman should know. These tips have withstood the test of time and will help you maintain a healthy and radiant look for your skin, hair, and nails. So, grab a comfy seat and let's dive right in. Sun protection. Let's kick things off with sun protection. We all love a little sunshine, but did you know that sun exposure is the leading cause of premature aging and can lead to various skin issues? To keep your skin safe, always wear sunscreen with at least SPF 30, even on those cloudy days. And remember, reapply every 2 hours when you're outside. You might also want to rock a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses for some extra protection. Consistent skincare routine. Now, let's talk skincare. A consistent skincare routine is essential for that healthy, glowing skin we all dream of. Make sure to cleanse, tone, and moisturize your face in the morning and at night. Choose products tailored to your skin type and always remove your makeup before hitting the pillow. And don't forget to exfoliate your skin once or twice a week to keep things fresh and rejuvenated. Hydrate inside and out. Hydration, my friends, is the key to maintaining a youthful complexion. Make it a habit to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and keep your skin looking plump and hydrated. Also, don't skip on moisturizing your skin with a suitable moisturizer to lock in that hydration and maintain your skin's natural moisture barrier. Get enough sleep. Next up, beauty sleep. It's not just a cute saying, it's a real thing. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to give your skin the downtime it needs to repair and regenerate. Fun fact: your body produces collagen while you sleep, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing premature aging. Maintain a healthy diet. We've all heard the saying, "You are what you eat," and it's true. Your diet directly impacts your skin, hair, and nails. So, make sure you're nourishing your body from the inside out with antioxidant-rich fruits and veggies, healthy fats, and lean proteins. And try to avoid those processed foods and excessive sugar, which can lead to inflammation and skin issues. Exercise regularly. Let's talk exercise. Did you know that working out improves blood circulation, which helps deliver essential nutrients to your skin? Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to keep your skin looking fabulous. Practice good hair care. Moving on to hair care. To maintain healthy, gorgeous locks, try to avoid using heat styling tools too often and protect your hair from sun damage with a hat or a UV protective spray. Opt for sulfate-free shampoos and moisturizing conditioners, and always use a wide tooth comb to gently detangle wet hair. Be gentle with your skin. It's essential to treat your skin with care. Avoid harsh scrubs and over-exfoliation, which can damage your skin's natural barrier. Instead, use gentle, circular motions when applying products and never pull or tug on your skin. Don't neglect your hands and nails. Let's not forget about our hands and nails. These often overlooked areas are usually the first to show signs of aging. To keep them looking youthful, moisturize regularly, use a nourishing cuticle oil, and always wear gloves when doing household chores. Trust me, your hands and nails will thank you. Embrace your unique beauty. Last but definitely not least, embrace your unique beauty. Remember that true beauty comes from within and is all about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Celebrate your individuality, and always be kind to yourself. After all, there's no one quite like you. And there you have it, our top 10 timeless beauty tips that every woman should know. We hope you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful for maintaining a radiant and beautiful appearance. Remember, beauty starts from within, and self-care is an essential part of looking and feeling your best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Purely Positivity for more beauty and empowerment content. Until next time, stay beautiful and positive.